Welcome to the class. In this training model, you will learn the basics about game-based learning. In this learning model, we want you to understand what game-based learning is and how it can be used by social workers when working with vulnerable population. In addition, you will learn how to isolate the specific forms and types of digital games based on the individual needs of different groups. Finally, we will show you the potential difficulties that might appear in the practical application of the tool and identify some methods to overcome these difficulties. Game-based learning, GBL, is a form of learning based on games with the use of technology. It promotes the learning through various forms of provoking the brain to active and effectively work basing on the elements of entertainment. In the last years, game-based learning has grown in popularity as it is considered as a potentially motivating and rewarding tool, as well as an innovative and more interactive form of learning. It promotes the learning through various forms of provoking the brain to active and effectively work basing on elements of entertainment. In people's consciousness, the term game, fun, competition are associated with a pleasant way of spending time. By introducing didactic games, learning can be made more interesting. Learning through play can trigger curiosity, cognitive interests, arouse motivation to perform tasks, and influences the development of creative cognitive attitudes. By practicing didactic games, we can notice improvements in the following mental skills: perceptiveness, attention, memory, visual and auditory analysis and synthesis, comparison, classification, generalization, logical thinking, development of consistency, perseverance, self-discipline, a sense of justice, development of the ability to undertake tasks independently, and cooperate in groups. Why is it worth it to use game-based learning? Because it encourages students to participate in learning by diversifying the learning process with a fun aspect. The traditional learning is increasingly perceived as boring, whereas GBL can increase the motivation to learn. Game-based learning has a positive impact on cognitive development. When the students get into a flow state during a game, their concentration is higher than usual. Playing games with other people fulfills social needs for interaction that may arise from the desire for competition, companionship, or recognition. GBL can be a great way for social work students to gain practical experience before undertaking professional practice. Congratulations, you have just finished this model.